Good day, good people. Welcome to JJ Tech Tutoring. Today I'll be taking you through logarithms. So this is basically the introduction of logarithm. So logarithm are powerful mathematical concepts used to simplify and solve equations involving exponential relationships, right? More importantly, logarithm is the inverse operation of exponential, right? So it's the inverse operation of exponential. So this is logarithm, this is exponential, but they all mean the same thing, right? So when you take it from logarithm to exponential, so this is logarithm. So the equivalent inverse of this is actually this, right? So when you have log k, and then let's say p here, and then you have j here. So when you turn it into exponential, then you have to leave p alone, and then this base should come and carry j. That's how it is. That's how it is. So now, here, b is the base, and then x is the number, and y is the logarithm. Right. Now, more importantly, we need to know how to use logs, and also we need to understand the basics of logs before we can apply them into our solve for x, into solving equations, and etc, etc. Now, common base 10 is the common logarithm base, right? So now if you come across something like this, just know that automatically the base is commonly used in real life. So the base here, it's 10, right? The base here, it's 10. Now talk about natural logarithm. Natural logarithm, natural logarithm. This one is having a base of e, right, which is approximately 2.718. that is this e, right? So you always have to know that logarithm, if you write it like this, it automatically have the base of 10, right? If you write this like this, just know that it's more like log e x, right? Log e x. So this is basically how it is. Now those were just common base, right? These are just common base. Now let's go to basic properties. Basic properties. Basic properties. Basic properties. Now, product rule, right? Product rule. So your product rule is log b, now x and y, right? This is equals to log bx plus log by. This is basic. Now, as we're talking about basic properties, we have product rule, which is log b x multiplied by y. So when we are expanding it, it is just equals to log base b x plus log base b y, right? So we also have quotient rule, which is log b x over y is equals to log b, this one, minus log b, then y, right? Then y, then y, right? Now we have a power rule. Power rule. We have a power rule, which is log b x to the power y, right? Log b x to the power y. So this is basically why we take this up front, then log bx. That's how it is. That's how it is. Now, this is an example, right? This is an example. And then more importantly, we can also bring an example like this. So to this one, by force, you have to use logarithm. And then to this one, you can decide to use logarithm, or you decide to use a proper or normal way to solve for x. Now here, you can say 2 and then 2 to the power 3, it's 8. Then b's are the same, then exponents are the same, right? And or you can say log 2 to the power x is equals to log 8, right? Then you take this up front. So it will be x log 2 is equals to log 8, right? And then you can say x log 2 is equals to log 2 to the power 3, right? Because it's 8. Then you say x log 2 is equals to 3 up front, log 2, right? Then from there, you then have to divide both sides by log 2. Log 2 divided by log 2. Then it will be x is equals to 3, right? X is equals to 3. So basically, that's why we have this log. It can help us a lot to solve such questions. So here by force, because we cannot say 2 to the power any number and it gives us 11. So we just have to say log 2x is equals to log 11, right? Log 11. And then we say x log 2 is equals to log 11. Then you say x, you divide both sides by log 2, right? Then you get this, right? Then you plug on your calculator and then you play. Now, this is how it is. This is how it is. So basically, today's video was all about introduction to logarithms. Introduction to logarithm. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.